Stop. If you're thinking about buying AudioMint, there's something you need to know first, because this is not just another AI tool. This could either become your passive income machine, or just another hype product you regret buying. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to expose everything. In this video, I'll show you what AudioMint really is, how it works behind the scenes, real benefits, and hidden drawbacks, and whether it's actually worth your money. Plus, I've also added exclusive bonuses worth $4,000 plus that can literally turn this into a real income system. What is AudioMint? AudioMint is the world's first fully autonomous AI audiobook publishing system that can write your audiobook, narrate it with human-like voice, format it professionally and publish it to 10+ platforms automatically. All with just one click. No writing, no recording, no editing, just press a button, and your audiobook is live. Benefits: why people are interested? Here's why people are going crazy about this. Tap into a $14 billion audiobook market, no need for audience or traffic, platforms already have millions of paying listeners, zero production cost per audiobook, no monthly fees, one-time payment, and the biggest advantage? You can build a passive royalty income system. Some users are publishing 30+ audiobooks per month and stacking income over time. Inside AudioMint, you're getting AI script generator, complete audiobook writing, human-like AI narration, no mic needed, background music plus full audio production, AI cover design plus SEO optimization and auto-publishing to platforms like Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, Kobo, and more. Plus, Trend Discovery Engine, find hot topics, 16 preloaded profitable genres and commercial license, sell audiobooks for $500 to $1,500. This is basically a complete audiobook business in one dashboard. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be honest. Pros: fully automated system, beginner-friendly, no upfront production cost, massive scalability and multiple income streams. Cons: requires consistency, not instant riches, results depend on volume strategy, and AI content still needs smart niche selection. So no, it's not magic. But if used properly, it's very powerful. What results can you expect? You can earn from audiobook royalties, streaming income, client services, $500 plus per book. Some users reported going from $0 right pointing arrow $100 per month, then scaling to $1,000 plus monthly. But remember, this works like a content stacking model. More books equals more income. Now let's talk about the real game changer. My bonuses: bonus 1 to 30 audiobooks in 30 days, worth $197, step-by-step roadmap to build a 30-book income machine. You'll know exactly what to publish and when. Bonus 2 monetization mastery, worth $97. Learn how to maximize royalties. Most people lose 40 to 60% income, not anymore. Bonus 3 genre domination guide, worth $97. Discover the top 3 profitable audiobook niches. Low competition plus high demand equals fast growth. Bonus 4 client acquisition pack, worth $197. Get clients and charge $500 plus per audiobook. Includes scripts, outreach, and closing strategy. Total bonus value, $4,029. Yours free with my link. So, is AudioMint worth it? If you want passive income, AI automation, a scalable content business, or a service-based income stream, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. Grab AudioMint and secure all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.